Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. We're going to do a really beautiful chicken curry today. Chicken with chickpeas or chana. Really easy. Get your rice ready because this is a rocker. Okay, let's jump in and take a look at what we've got, and just to let you know, all of the amounts are going to be in the text below for you to read if you want. So we've got chicken. Now I've got chicken breast, no skin, no bone. Nice, chunky bits in there. Onion, tomato, cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, cooked chickpeas. If you're using these from a can, make sure that you wash them really well. You know, the water they come in is not fantastic. Give it a nice cold water rinse. Curry powder. I'm using curry powder today. Usually I use the big four. If you're a regular to the show, you'll know that I use individual spices, but I've just made some incredible curry powder. I'll leave the link for that video at the end, and it will be in the text below again. Yeah, I want to use it up while it's still beautiful. It's got that really sort of lovely roasted flavour on it. Fresh chilli, fresh curry leaves. Now, if you can get these, wonderful. If you can't, don't worry about it. But yeah, they are fantastic. Garlic, ginger paste. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt. I think that's about it. Let's go. Okay, so I've got a pan here. You're going to need some sort of pan or wok or something like that. I've got some oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use a different oil if you want. And we're going to start by chopping in our fresh curry leaves. If you want, add some cumin seeds, black mustard seeds, green cardamom, some whole garam masala. I'm just going to go with these today. As they do their thing, we're going to drop in our onion, and we're going to go for like 2 to 3 minutes. We're on quite a lively heat, as you're about to hear. Fantastic. Next up, we're going to add in our chicken breast. Like I say, there's no skin, no bone on this. Very simply, continue on this heat, which is quite lively, above medium, for another 4 or 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. This is looking glorious. Okay. Next up, we're going to add in our garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. You can make it yourself. We make loads of it here all the time. We're constantly making curries, aren't we? But yeah, if you want, you can buy it in Indian stores. If you've got a local Indian store, they'll definitely have it. Now, salt. Going to drop in our fresh chilli. I'm putting mine in whole like that. Of course, if you wanted, you could chop it. Now I'm going to go for that beautiful roasted curry powder. I do recommend this actually. Give it a go. Like I said, I'll leave the link at the end. Just a little quick mix on this. And always be careful with your spices, because if they burn, they get very bitter, a really kind of bitter flavour. So once you get your spices in, keep it moving, keep it moving. Okay, now we're going to add that fresh tomato in. That goes. Our chickpeas. Now just let that go now, staying on this same heat for about 5 or 6 minutes. What we want is the tomatoes to break down. We're hoping that if we've used the ripe enough tomato that they're going to give off some moisture and create a gravy for us. If not, we're going to add some water. But yeah, I'll see you in about 5 or 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, I've done really well with my tomatoes. They were nice and juicy and gave off a good amount of moisture. If yours didn't, don't worry at all. We can just add a bit of water. In fact, we're going to still add a little bit of water to this. I'm using cold water. In that goes. About a cup of water or so. I'm going to drop the heat now to just above a simmer. I'm going to let that go now for about another 4 or 5 minutes on a simmer. We're pretty much done. Okay, off goes the heat. That is looking absolutely fabulous. Check that for salt. You might want to add a bit more salt. I'm going to go in now with a big handful of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. We're going to give that a mix, and this beautiful baby is done. Get your rice sorted out, because this is going to be beautiful with some just plain basmati rice. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do say hello. We'd like to hear from you. Tell us how you're doing, especially in these bloody times. Give us a thumbs up and all that rubbish. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.